Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your repost private on TikTok. So all you have to do is go on the TikTok application. So let's scroll and go to it. So let's tap on the TikTok icon. It will directly lead you to a home page. From the bottom 5 options, let's tap on profile. So basically you are where you can see all your posts now, and we'll see your feed area here. If you just swipe here up until you see these two arrows here, you can see your reposts. It is actually the repost section where videos you repost actually visible. Since you want to actually make it into private, what you're gonna do is tap on the three horizontal dashes on the top right corner. So let's do that. Tap on it. And then to settings and privacy. After that, we're gonna tap on privacy here. Now scroll down to interactions. Now as you can see, I don't have any repost section. That is because it is not yet available to my country. But if it's available to your country, what you can do is tap on the repost there and set it to private. And basically that's how you make your repost private on TikTok so far. If this video helped you, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thanks for watching.